Yo, what's up everyone? Welcome back to another banger video. Today, we're going to be talking about quantitative trading strategies and how Python can be used to implement them. Quantitative trading involves using mathematical models, statistical analysis, and computational algorithms to make investment decisions. Python, with its extensive libraries and tools, is a popular choice for quantitative finance. In this tutorial, we'll cover the basics of quantitative trading, introduce key concepts, and demonstrate how to implement a single trading strategy using Python. Now, before we get into the video, if you guys want to see more videos like this, drop a like down below. It helps us out tremendously with the YouTube algorithm. With that out of the way, let's hop right into it. So let's first understand the key concepts behind quantitative trading. In quantitative trading, we aim to identify patterns, trends, and anomalies in financial data to make informed investment decisions. This involves collecting and analyzing large data sets, developing trading algorithms, and executing trades automatically. Python provides us with powerful libraries such as pandas, numpy, and matplotlib that make financial data analysis and visualization seamless. Today, we'll focus on implementing a simple moving average crossover strategy. Let's start by importing the required libraries. In this code snippet, we import pandas as PD for data manipulation, the numpy library as NP for numerical operations, and the matplotlib.pyplot module as PLT for data visualization. Next, we'll load and preprocess the financial data. Or first, we're actually going to have to upload our data set. So an easy way to do that in Google Colab is just to type in this code here to import files from Google Colab and use the files.upload function. You'll be prompted with a small little thing here where you can choose your file and then just select your dataset. If you're in the desktop version of Jupyter Notebook, you just have to slide the dataset into your repository or your directory. You can download the dataset from Wall Street Journal or any financial website that offers historical stock prices. So you just go to Wall Street Journal, type in any stock you want. For this one, we'll be using SPLG, which is a index fund from State Street that tracks the S&P 500. Use it from, select the data frame from January 1st, 2017 to today, and then just download it and upload it here. All right, next we're going to read and load and preprocess our data. Alright, so in this code snippet, we use the PD read CSV function to load the financial data from a CSV file into the pandas data frame. We then perform any necessary pre-processing steps, such as handling missing values and adjusting for splits and dividends. Finally, we set the date column as the index for easier time-based analysis. Now let's implement our simple moving average crossover strategy. Here's an example. Alright, so in this code snippet, we use the rolling method with the mean function to calculate the short-term and long-term moving averages of the closing price. Now, if you get an error like this, one thing I realized is from Wall Street Journal, when you download your database from there, they accidentally keep a small space here in front of close. You could go into the CSV file and edit that so there's no space, or you could just add a space into your Python file and make it work that way. We then generate trading signals based on the crossover of the moving averages. If the short-term moving average is above the long-term moving average, we assign a value of 1, indicating a buy signal. Otherwise, we assign a value of -1, which is a sell signal. Lastly, let's visualize the trading signals on a price chart. Here's an example. So first we're going to plot the closing prices. Next, we're going to plot the short-term and long-term moving averages. Next, we're going to plot the buy and sell signals. Sure, that's -1. And now we're going to just add some things to customize the plot. It's like the labels and the title. Lastly, just show the plot. So in this code snippet, we use matplotlib to create a price chart. We plot the closing prices, the short-term and long-term moving averages, and the buy and sell signals. The green triangles represent buy signals, and the red triangles represent sell signals. All right, we ran into the same error here. Just click close. Forgot a few places. All right, so here's what our graph looks like. So that's going to be it for this video. You just learned how to implement a basic quantitative trading strategy using Python. Remember, this is just the tip of the iceberg in the vast world of quantitative finance. Usually, it's a lot more complex than this. We see a lot of red triangles here, or red V's, which means that it's overall pretty bearish, and you can also see that it's not very accurate. So that's going to be it for this video. If you guys enjoyed, drop a like down below, drop a comment if you have any questions, and we'll catch you in the next one.